You have time? Mother's busy talking to that nasty old spy master.
I didn't mean to look there! I'm sorry! I didn't mean to!
Welcome to the Hound Pit Pub, sir.
I don't want to have my freaking bow out.
Hello, sir. I am Wallace, and this...
Ah! Resume from the last save. You know, I didn't mean to do that! Carry them. You saw nothing.
Kill a guard for me, will ya?
I done did.
Slackjaw him in here. He's gotta get me out. Nice work.
There.
More before they get you.
Ow. Sit down. What you thought? Well. Can I hold on? I want to see if I can. Oh god. Oh keys. Hold on, I'll do it again. Oh god. Oh. There it goes. Boy. Oh, you're dead now. Oh god, is that his head? Oh. No. Yay. Wait. Yay. That kills me. I can pick up his head. Yay. This is the best game I've ever played. Yay. Is this morbid? Okay, I think it's fine. Bitch. The translator. No. No. No, I don't trust anything. Into the water. Every time I throw it in the water, it doesn't blow up. Ow! Are you want me to throw in the water? Yeet. Watch that. Why does that work? I did that the first time. What do you mean? Thank you. God! Landed. Oh my god. Yeah, I can tell. Yeet! Oh, we're fine. What? Huh? So I gotta break down the bridge. Oh wait, right here. Seriously? Really? It broke when I was running off? Well, I'm fighting this man? Jesus! Quit. Yeah, this is a really easy fight. It's gonna take a long time. Ah, I wasn't ready. Okay, it's getting harder. I'm sorry. Ah! Oh. He hit me. You gonna touch me again? Oh. Dang it. No. Okay, that was not fair. I thought he was just trying to boast again. Oh god. No, I know your moves. Not what? He turned with me and hit me while I was rolling. Do I have to do this? No, I'll do him. I'll do that later. Ah! No, that's not what I meant. It's not what I meant. Oh, hi. Such an idiot. Here.
I got a plan.
Oh. Eddie. How you feeling? I'm doing pretty good. Stop. Don't waste them.
I'm gay.
Ground? Nope. That explains that.
I cannot pyramid with shit.
I'm trying to get some.
Stairs are rotated. I have no trust. Ah! so
Down.
Oh my god, just lagged. Stop it! That's such an ass. Stop it!
Are you looking for me?
Hey, over there.
Do you see what happened? Wait.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely